going to be unboxing a telescope. I am so excited for this, and let's see it. I'm handling this so carefully.
Yes, it's coming out.
It's coming out. Okay, now this is useless, so I can use this for so many things.
This is a telescope 80. Wow, beautiful.
It looks so nice. Look at that.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Slowly.
Now this is the real unboxing. That is just the cover of it. So 3, 2. Oh, I cannot lift this up right now.
This is what you can see inside of it.
I want to tell you something. There's a bag included. So we don't really need the bag, so I can use it. So let me do this. Oh, just turn it.
This is not torn. This is just kept like that. It's
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I thought the bag will. Yeah, keep it. Okay. Is it so heavy? Yeah, good. It's heavy. Okay.
Okay.
So there is the badging over there, Celestron, and let us see what is inside.
Okay, it's already half open. I don't know.
It's already open. No, way.
Like this much.
That is okay.
So let's. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah!
Yes, this is what you can see inside. The first one. What is the first thing?
There's a manual.
I think that's a manual. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's for this. You can try that.
Is the software CD in there? No, we don't know.
Yeah, we have bubbleware. I love these pop.
Yeah, play like a baby. That is stripe. What is that?
Hands.
What is that?
I don't know. It has tape.
That is the eyepiece and.
Yeah, these are the eyepieces and all those things. This is the adjuster. It looks like an adjuster. It was before. So let's just. Okay. Oh, this is. I think this is the heavy thing.
That's the tripod.
Yeah, this is the tripod. We're going to hold it.
Take out the cover and.
Yeah, take that.
Yes. Oh, that's.
Oh, this looks like glory. Okay, now let's keep it in.
Okay. Not on that. Yeah. Okay. And then comes the main thing.
Pull it back. Like I'm silent.
Yes.
Celestron telescope. I know it looks really nice, but the sad thing is in Kuwait it's pretty cloudy and we cannot see any stars, planets or anything. So maybe we will see some of the planets in March or something like that. So maybe we will tune in on that. So bye guys.